Indeed, AI is changing the landscape of evaluation and how evaluators need to show up and the kind of skills they need. Certainly, these changes can possibly provoke anxiety, but I think evaluators need to understand that the power of the human interaction with AI is just as important as what AI can provide for us in terms of the technical capabilities. So certainly, AI can help us with predictive analyses. It can help us with scenario modeling. In terms of data processing, for example, large volumes of data like never before can be processed through natural language processing. Large volumes of quantitative and qualitative data can be processed in much more efficient ways. But I think certainly the relational aspect of evaluation and the value judgment that is embedded within evaluation will always remain really important in the evaluation process. In analyzing data, for example, how that data is perceived and what the meaning of that data in terms of the outcomes and the realities of the impact that it is having on citizens and the lives of those the interventions are meant to benefit are a really important and significant skill that humans, evaluators, bring to the table.